Can you tell us about your class goals?
Oh, some of our class goals or something that we have is called the real. It's where you have this. It shows you how like how much you make if you're a high school graduate, how much you make if you're a college graduate, if you're a high school dropout. So it helps you keep in vision of what you want, what goal you want to set. That hey, if I'm a college graduate, I can make this amount of money, and it helps you figure out what major you want to do or what career choice you want to do.
Well, in this class, to reach my class goal in here, I'll try to maintain my tones and work on all the extra slips we get and things like that. Just try to keep up with the class because it's an easy class to you. It's easy to ace this class. It's really nothing, um, any barricades or anything he puts down to make it so that you can't get it. Like everything's easy and it comes at you like I don't know. It just comes easy. So
Okay. And what is your favorite part of Mr. Gooden's class?
I actually don't have a favorite part. I love Mr. Dennis' class. He's my favorite teacher. I mean, he's just a teacher who explains everything. He's there for you as a teacher, but also as a friend to help you, reach your goals and get to where you want to be in life. So, my favorite class is this class. I don't really have a favorite part.
um, my favorite part, it's not really a favorite part, but it's like the things he does. Like he's real organized with everything. It just seems like everything for him, even though it'd probably be a lot of hard work for him to get it together, it just seemed like it just flows so easily. I just like this class period and the fact that I can always catch up. So, well, when we first got in this class, I thought I was gonna hate it because I always hated science. But this is the first chemistry class I'm actually paying attention. Like I want to pay attention. I mean, I might talk sometimes and things like that, but this is because I'm actually learning. Like if you ask me what I learned, I could actually tell you instead of like, oh, let me refer to the textbook. Like I'm actually learning. So.
Well, then let me ask you, what did you learn today? What were you guys doing?
Today we learned about indicators and also how the three different types of ways you can find the pH level of certain things and stuff like
Okay.
Exactly. Yeah. I don't like science. I don't like science. I don't like math. They just go together. They're like water and oil. That's how we are. We just don't mix. But Mr. Gooden, I mean, he explains everything thoroughly. He explains it to the point where you know it like the back of your hand. There's nothing you can't really miss, and there's never a time you can't go back and actually understand it and get it. So I still don't like science, but
All
but I
right.
understand it.
My favorite thing about this class are some of the things we do in here. Like Mr. Gooden, he knows, like he makes up for his mistakes. Like he owns up for them. So like if he makes a mistake, like he'll give us 2 points or something on our little class point board or whatever. And so like it just makes you feel more uncomfortable. Like everybody makes mistakes. It makes you more willing to try. Because usually I stop trying because I'm afraid like I'm not gonna look right in front of the teacher. But he makes you feel more. He makes you more humble and everything.
Exactly. I love the fact that when we do tests and not everyone gets it, he'll say, okay, well, maybe I didn't explain it right. So let's review, let's go over and let's take another makeup test so that we can,
Yeah.
get to our goal.
Right, like he teaches so that you actually learn, not because he has to teach it. He makes it so you actually learn.
And I mean, he teaches until you understand it. It's no, oh, well, you don't get it. Well, you need to
Next
do that on your
subject.
own time.